right, folks. Okay, so you know, I'm gonna try something right now. It's called the one-finger shamisen, and as you can see, I've got these fingers all taped up. These are gonna be useless. It's just gonna be this finger, this one right here, and with this one finger, I'm gonna attempt to play Mozart Sonata in C. All right, let's see if I can pull it off. I want to thank God, you know, God. Oh, and I want to thank Mozart, of course, obviously, Mozart, you know. I want to thank you, Mozart. Thank you so much. I don't know what to say, you know.